topical minoxidil for treating hair loss absolutely can your cat or dog.
Pet lover ka rin ba pero gumagamit ka ng minoxidil? Hi! This is Doc Kate. Kilala po ang minoxidil na isang over-the-counter hair growth medication. Tumutulong po itong palakihin o pabukahin ang blood vessels sa hair follicles at pinapahaba ang anagen phase o growth stage ng hair cycle. Pero may trade-offs din. Pwede din po itong magdulot ng scalp irritation katulad ng redness, dryness, or itchiness because of its alcohol content. Bukod pa rito, normal din ang shedding o paglalagas ng buhok during the first 2 to 8 weeks dahil papalitan ng stronger hair ang weaker strands. Pero kung may pet ka sa bahay, lalo na ang mga cats, kailangan po nating mag-ingat dahil kahit kaunting exposure lang ng minoxidil ay nakakalaso na po sa kanila. In fact, sa 211 reported pet exposures, halos 60% ng cats at 56% ng dogs ay nagkaroon ng moderate to major illness. Kaya ang tanong, Doc, may alternative product po ba? The answer is yes, and that is PDO. PDO is a newer and safer option dahil tumutulong po itong patibayin ng ating hair follicle structure at suportahan ang ating scalp regeneration without irritation and dependency katulad ng sa minoxidil. Upon checking, may isang product po na naglalaman ng PDO as its active ingredient, and that is Labon Hair Ampule. Formulated po ito with all-in-one active ingredients and is already enriched with DHT blocking components katulad ng zinc and caffeine na tumutulong bawasan ang hair fall at magkaroon ng healthier hair growth. Wala po itong risk sa pets, water-based, lightweight, fast-absorbing at wala pong product build-up. Kaya naman subukan na po natin ito habang active pa ang ating hair follicles. Pero tandaan po natin na kung sobra na ang hair loss at may iba pang sintomas na nararamdaman, mahalagang magpakonsulta na po tayo sa ating mga doktor. Prevention is always better than cure. Stay healthy po!